Rewarded play balance issues usually happen when the app has not refreshed your account data correctly, your game activity has not synced, or the displayed balance does not match your latest progress. By the end, you'll know why rewarded play can show the wrong balance, how to refresh your account information, and what steps to take if the balance still looks incorrect. Section 1 is checking whether the balance has updated. Rewarded play tracks game activity through the app, so your balance may not change immediately after completing an activity. Start by opening the Rewarded Play app and checking whether your account is connected correctly. Make sure you are signed into the same account you normally use. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can force it to reload your account information and display the latest available balance. If the balance still looks incorrect, restart your phone. A device restart can clear temporary app issues that affect how information loads. Section 2 is checking game tracking and account activity. Rewarded play depends on tracking your eligible game activity. If a game session is not tracked properly, the balance may not reflect your recent progress. Open Rewarded Play and confirm that the game you are playing appears correctly inside the app. Avoid deleting and reinstalling tracked games unless you understand how it may affect progress tracking. Removing a game can sometimes interrupt the connection between the app and your activity. Also check that you are using the same device and account connected to Rewarded Play. Switching devices or accounts can cause your progress and balance information to appear different. Section 3 is fixing a balance that still does not match. If you have refreshed the app, restarted your phone, and confirmed your account details, the next step is contacting Rewarded Play support. Include details that help identify the issue, such as your account information, the game you were playing, when the balance became incorrect, and what balance you expected to see. Avoid sending only a message that says the balance is wrong. More details help support identify whether the problem is related to syncing, tracking, or account information. The key points are simple. Refresh the app, confirm your account and game tracking, and provide clear details if support is needed. Your next step is to close Rewarded Play, reopen it, and check your balance again before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix a Rewarded Play balance issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app troubleshooting guides.